So panoorin natin itong mga kalodi. So hack to kung paano maglinis ng ref, yung fridge na dinefrost. Ganito lang pala yung kadali.
It took 30 years to realize that the refrigerator is the cleanest way to clean. 1. The refrigerator is easy to freeze inside after being used for a long time. It is easy to damage the refrigerator with a knife or shovel.
Oh, yun. Madalas kasi, sinisilsil natin yan madalas. So, pala yung nakakasira pala yun ng fridge mga kalodi. So, ito lang pala yung gagawin natin mga kalods.
Doing this easily goes to the ice. Unplug the power supply first, then prepare a large bowl of boiling water and put it in it. Close the refrigerator door. Wait about 10 minutes and we will open the door to take a look. It falls off with a touch.
O diba, ganun lang kadali. Warm water lang pala, ilagay lang natin doon sa loob. Tapos, yun, tutuklap na. Diba, saglit.
2. The freezing of the refrigerator is caused by the aging of the ceiling strip and the lax sealing. Turn on the hot air with a hairdryer for a few minutes. The problem of lax sealing is perfectly solved in this way. 3. Mix.
O diba? Pag natutuklap yung mga pala yung sealed o cover nung fridge, so hindi pala kailangan tanggalin natin yun. So yun lang pala, blower lang pala kailangan. So babalik pala din siya sa dati.
White vinegar and baijiu to wipe the refrigerator. The decontamination effect is obvious. 4. The
diba? Gamit na gamit yung suka talaga siya.
Refrigerator seal is moldy. Toothpaste and baking soda poured into baijiu. Wipe the
toothpaste tsaka suka. Yun lang pala yun. Kung ano na yung ginagamit natin sa panglinis ng ref. So, ito lang pala yung kailangan natin na panglinis sa ref. O, tingnan nyo. Sobrang linis mga kalods.
Refrigerator seal can remove mold and
diba? Sterilized pa.
5. The refrigerator has been used for a long time. What should I do if there is often stagnant water and peculiar smell? We just need to find a thin wire. Perforated drainage holes.
So, ganun lang pala yun. Kasi pagka yun, nag-stagnant yung tubig, wala, anong ginagawa nyo? Wala lang, nililinis lang lagi.
Open the ice and dirt inside. Then open the back cover and take out the stagnant water box. We will find that it is already dirty inside. Go and rinse and put it back as it is. This solves
baking soda tsaka suka. Pang yan? Tsaka yan, ano ba yung nilagay pa isa?
it. 6. Put tea leaves, baijiu, baking soda, white vinegar and an appropriate amount of water in the cup. Mix together and put in the refrigerator. All refrigerator odors are eliminated overnight. 7. How to adjust the refrigerator to save the most electricity. Switch to between 2-3 gears in summer, spring to 4, winter to 5 to 6 gears. The higher the number, the lower the gear, the more power saving. Follow me and take you to learn more life tips.
Ganun pala yun. The more higher pala. Ganun pala yun. Okay. O, diba? May natutunan na naman tayo. So, ayan. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga kaloris. Bye-bye!